Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this neon green, black, smoky eye, and I think it's pretty. I think it's just in line for the spookiness that's coming out. I know you're like, what spookiness? I drink pumpkin spice latte. And I'm like, me too, bitch, me too, but also like, if you're not living for this look, then you're not living for me. I'm just kidding. I just want to give a quick shout out to Rebecca Martin and Paige Pagano for being the first people to comment on my last video. And don't forget, if you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out. And if you subscribe down below, you are automatically entered to win my 500 subscriber giveaway, which will be either a $40 palette and the $80 blow dryer that I got in my BoxyLux, or a 75, 70, whatever he comes out with, mystery box from Jeffree Star. Now, the palette will be your guys' choice, so at $40 is a super wide range that can literally be almost any brand except for like Pant McGrath and Natasha Denona. So the possibilities are like yours, you know? And if you didn't like the palette or the blow dryer or whatever, you could sell it. But like I said, the palette is your guys' choice, so you're not really losing. And the mystery box, well, I mean, you could lose on that because you might not like anything in the box. But like I said, it's going to be your guys' choice. So if you guys want the palette instead, you can be like, nah, I don't want that mystery box. But if you want to take the risk, you can get the mystery box. Alright guys, without any further ado, let's get into the look. We're going to go into the Jeffree Star Morphe collab again, and we're going to go into Nate. What a surprise! I mean that we're going into the Morphe collab, not that I'm going into Nate. I've seen a similar look to this on Instagram. I can't find the post now, but I was looking at like 1 a.m. trying to get my daughter to go to sleep when I seen it, and basically they had like red, which I've done before, I'm pretty sure, and like for some reason seeing this photo gave me the inspiration, not looking at my own photo, but it was basically like a red or a pink or something, maybe maroon, I don't know, something like this, but faded into black. And I thought green would look super pretty. I've already done the red at some point. I feel like I've done the red, but green would be hella cute. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go into Fast Lane, which is the black in the palette. Life in the fast lane. Go back into Nate and just blend that out a little bit more because we don't want the black to get too much. We want Nate nice and present. Yes, ma'am. Alright. That's basically all that eye is gonna do. Like, that's all I wanted to do. I just really wanted a smoked out eye. Like a black smoked out eye to like a neon green. And I'm not mad about it. It's exactly what I wanted. So, I'm gonna go do my other eye off camera and my face makeup, and I will be right back. So now we're gonna go back in with the black color fast lane right there. We're gonna go under the eye. Let me find the brush that I'm looking for though. That little nuggy. I'm kind of doing it kind of big, but that's okay. We're going dramatic today. Okay. Now we got that in. We're going to take Nate again. Oh, shoot. Nate. I love a bold look. And now I've got fallout. Okay. We're going to see if I can't dust away this fallout without mostly. It's not bad. I gotta put some more black on my lid just because the green has done wiped some of it away. That's okay, that happens sometimes. If you look, I'm going really heavy on both colors, so they tend to have a little fallout, especially when you're going so heavy. So you just gotta watch and make sure, you make sure both colors are still present. Alright, now that we got that business done, I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna put a little bit of Welcome in the inner corner. Just a little. You don't have to put on highlight. You don't have to highlight your inner corner. I just think it helps make it pop just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Like instead of just being a black smoky eye, it's got this little shimmer of light in the center that's just gorga. I think that's how you say gorgeous in Spanish. I could be wrong. I could very well be wrong. Okay. Mascara. Someone is banging on something. My neighbor doing something stupid. So I apologize if you hear that. I don't know what the hell they're doing. But at least I should be glad that they're doing it in the middle of the day. Or I guess in the morning. But still, during the day instead of at night. Because I used to have a set of neighbors that, like, wouldn't do anything all day, and then night would come and they'd start banging and clanging, and I was like, excuse you? I've got children that need to sleep and a husband that's got a job that needs to sleep. I think we're gonna use the lip I got from Elf, actually. We'll see. I couldn't decide whether I wanted black or nude. Should I go black? Well, my lips are uneven as fuck. Excuse my language. But this is the nude. Now I'm going to put on the black, I think. I got to even out my face. You son of a bitch. My lips are not even. It just happens, especially with dark lips. I tend to mess up a lot. So we're just going to have to ignore that. But this is today's look. If you enjoyed the way this look came out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below and let me know, would you have rather had the nude lip? Did the nude lip Did the nude lip look better? Did the nude lip look better? Yeah. Don't forget, if you're the first person to comment on this video, you will get a shout out in my next video. And if you've stayed this long, leave a skull emoji. Get ready for Halloween. Yeah. The skull emoji. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!